All right, guys, here we are doing some catfish nuggets. We got these, and look, they're only $3.86, and we got these from Save-A-Lot. And Billy is making some Bush's baked beans, and then he's putting some onions. Yeah, doctoring them because that's what he does. He's putting some red onion in it, or purple onion, whatever you want to call it.
This one.
And then he's going to put some DB Yummers barbecue sauce in it. I love that stuff. That's a little spicy one, too. It don't take much. I put that a little bit on my salad with ranch dressing, and it's like Bob Evans Wildfire Ranch. He's got the oven on 350 because he don't like them on the stovetop. He wants baked beans when he says.
No, I got it on 400.
Oh, he's got it on 400. 400.
400, baby.
And here he is putting some bacon in there because, you know, he's extra.
Hey, gotta have it.
Alright guys, like I said, we're frying catfish nuggets. And I have them right here already cleaned. This is what we're using. The Cajun fish fry. And look, I fried up some green tomatoes and I used that. Oh my gosh, that stuff's spicy.
And it's good though.
It's spicy. And I popped, everything we're eating today's hot. And I got jalapeno poppers with bacon. That was with my leftover cream cheese filling I had. So I thought, got those three jalapenos. I'll just use it. Get that out of the refrigerator. So those are ready. Ooh, I got to turn this down, I think. It's on 320, but that thing is getting hot.
The baked beans are about done.
Yeah.
And I threw some hot dogs in on top of it because I like hot dogs on them.
Yeah, you did.
I like beans and weenies.
So I turned that down. Way down. That grease getting hot.
I just ate about 10 of them green tomatoes. They're fantastic.
Yeah, I had my back turned and he's over there going, But, oh, there goes all the green tomatoes. But I might fry some more because we have plenty of them right now.
Yeah, we do. We need to use them up.
I might fry some more after I get done with this. And what we're frying them in is tallow that Billy made. And this is all we have left. He makes our tallow for us.
I'm going to have to make some more.
Anybody else do fish nuggets? Now, we already bought these like this. Next time, we're going to buy the catfish, the whole catfish, and just cut them ourselves. Is what I would rather do. Because these are just pieces, ends and pieces. It doesn't look, you know, like you get a whole fillet, you know what you got.
And I made homemade tartar sauce to go with them.
We are teaming up today, which is what we usually do.
Yeah. We good team.
So this right here, like I said, is that Cajun fish fry. And I put some flour in it. So we're going to let those cook or fry here. And then we'll do some more.
Smelling good.
So this was just a little over a pound of meat. So we're just having a little smorgasbord of everything today.
Which we love. All the stuff we like.
No game on today, so we're not going to be doing that with the bye week. No Ohio State game. Guys, who do you like with college football? Or even NFL, whatever you like. Let us know.
I just like Ohio State.
Yeah, that's the only thing he watches. And a lot of times he'll just record it and then watch it later or the next day.
I usually watch it after church on Sunday and then I fast forward through the commercials.
Yeah.
Because I hate the commercials.
So a 3-hour game or 3.5-hour game, he watches it in an hour.
Yep.
No replays, just specials. Green tomato. Mm-mm-mm. And those green tomatoes have a little bit of a tang to them. I know green tomatoes are supposed to have tang, but those has a really good tang to them. Get over there and show them what you're doing. Uh-huh. I was getting ready to show him, and he took off. He grabbed a popper and some tomatoes.
Oh, my, that's good.
It's 2:30, and he hadn't eaten yet. So.
But I don't usually eat till between 2 and 4, 5. That is so good.
All right, guys, we're going to pause here for a minute, and we'll be back. All right, guys, there's Billy doing his thing. Let's see your plate. He plated it up. He's got, I keep wanting to call it chicken, because we don't fix fish very often. He's got fish, baked beans, one of his hot dogs on there, and the potato salad I bought, and he made some tartar sauce, and we've been eating all those green tomatoes, and we don't have very many left. So now, he can't wait.
Whoever made that tartar sauce did a good job.
Good job, huh?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, that was him. How about the fish? You like it? Fried in that?
It's very good.
All right, guys. Look how we go at the house. He's got a big old hole in his shirt, and his letters are coming off.
I don't care.
He'd go to town like that, too. We're Pack County. He don't care.
Good.
We don't care. I went yesterday to meet somebody, and I had my Crocs on and my pants rolled up. He's like, did you go to town like that? I said, yes, I did. At least I didn't have my pajamas on. All right, guys.
I'm getting off here and eat.
Yes, he can't wait. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that hype. And we'll see you next time. Peace
Later,
out,
Gator.
guys.